It's a very strategical point, very near from the sea, Adriatic Sea, near the Buna River, also the lagoon. And that's why this area is very rich in terms of flora and fauna. In terms of social, economic, the local people are very connected to the benefits they get from the area.
Po Buna për shumë vjet ka qenë një vend që e kanë përdorur njerëzit edhe për ushqime nëpërmjet zanjë peshkut, përmjet turizmit që kanë bën larjen e tyne. Laguna ka shumë sfida, por një sfidë kryesore është parandalimi I erozionit. Asnjë lloj dëmtimi më I madh se erozioni nuk mund t'i bëhet rezervatit.
This area will be like 100 hectares that's going from protected areas to the sea. The changes will be very big.
This area, the Buna Delta, is one of the most vulnerable areas to flooding in the whole of the Mediterranean when it comes to climate risk. The data we have shows that during a storm event or a flood event, some of these areas could be more than 5 metres underwater. All sorts of infrastructure, farmland and natural environments, which are habitats, can be completely wiped out. But at the same time, the climate's less predictable and we need to be able to preserve resources such as water.
Konservimi I ujrave në zonën e mbrojtur lumi Buna Delta është një nga problemet më të komplikuara për vetë faktin se ka një shtrirje të gjerë të aktivitete bujqësore bregtarale, duke qenë si zonë breg lumore, breg detare, prania e civilizacive të mëdha të planetave qoftë.
So we already know that there are national and local organisations looking at risks such as flood risks, but we will then help them build on knowing the risk and then finding the solutions, so nature-based solutions or other types of projects that can actually help people become more aware, help people become more ready.
Ka masa parandaluese si tha që për miellet pemëve të nësh, për vumje pritash në lumin Buna. Në qoftë se ta masa nuk merren edhe shumë shpejt, ai do vazhdojnë edhe deti do të hyjnë brenda në lagun.
We do this kind of activities in raising awareness to the people, mostly to the local people, because they are our target groups. Nature education. We have a program for all schools that are inside protected areas to raise awareness, but I think we need to do more action in terms of doing something, not just raising awareness.
We want everyone in the community to be able to contribute in some way, and then together they come towards a solution. We have 2 types of grants that we support. Some of them are for individuals, and a lot of these might be individual landowners or businesses who, very small businesses who want to undertake an activity in the area, and they can implement projects to improve the landscape, improve habitats, or sometimes we have projects which are about ecotourism and making people more aware about how they can have less impact when they visit the area. We want everyone in the community to be able to contribute in some way, and then together they come towards a solution.
We're a group of volunteers and youth. We realized that the erosion was happening, and I noticed that something needed to be done directly and immediately. That's why we all together we came in main focus, and we decided to create and build some fences. The reason that we choose to do this is because the erosion here is very developed, and we'd like to do something in order to prevent further problems that will occur to this situation. And also, it's very important raising the acknowledgement to the youth, firstly, which was a very strong help in this project, about the role of the environment and how they can be a keystone to this place.
This is the most important thing to us, to raise awareness for what we have and what we have to protect.